All right, ladies, synchronize your movements. We have a big order of saddles today. Remember the heritage standards.
Давай, иди сюда. Хорошо, спокойно.
Vitals look good, heart rate steady at 45.
Confirmed. Hydration levels are optimal.
The brushes are working perfectly on the coat texture.
Nice and relaxed. We'll start the drying cycle now.
Caliper reading is stable at 285 millimeters. Cross-reference that with the 3D scan data. Confirmed. Density readings are also within tolerance. Surface details confirmed. Dimensional verification complete. Approved for luxury packaging.
All cartons accounted for, sir. Good. Seal it up for departure. All cartons accounted for, sir. Good. Seal it up for departure.
Okay, bring up the fill light on the left side, just slightly.
Adjusting the softbox intensity now. How does that look?
Perfect. Capturing the reflections now.
Let's bring up the key light a touch. Watch the reflection on the bezel.
Adjusting softbox 2 now. How is that?
Perfect. Start the rotation.
This screen demonstrates the meticulous engineering behind the seamless integration of components.
The tolerances on the new assembly line are exceeding our expectations.
And the craftsmanship is flawless. This sets a new industry standard.
The tolerances on the new assembly line are exceeding our expectations.
And the craftsmanship is flawless. This sets a new industry standard.
For outstanding craftsmanship and continuous innovation, it is my honor to present this award, recognizing your manufacturing excellence.
The simulation shows a 20% improvement if we adjust the tolerance.
The data supports that revision for the next batch.
It aligns perfectly with the prototype's metrics.
Maintenance status is green across the board. And the efficiency metrics look strong for this shift.
The mirror finish is achieved through a meticulous 12-step process. Each piece requires roughly 80 hours of...
As you can see, the GEN heavy machinery operates with sub-micron precision.
And the quality control is integrated at every stage.
Truly impressive.